In today's video, we're going to be creating the second Why Choose Us slide for our event planning portfolio template. If you want to check out other videos in this course series, you can either check the description box below for the videos, individual videos, or the link to the course playlist. All right, let's get started. We are going to start with a blank slide. So if you want to watch the video on how I created this slide as well as the animation and transition, you can go ahead and click on the video on your screen, or you can check the description box for not only the link to this video but also the videos for the previous slides in our template as well as the course playlist. All right, let's come over here and I'm going to create a new blank slide. Now I'm just going to, if you want to get this dialog here, you can right click and format background, and then you can bring up this dialog. Let's change the color of our background. I'm going to change it to this peach color. So the color for this, it's going to be in the description box below, but I'm just going to quickly show you. So we have this peach color, which is FBD2D2, and we have this second one, which is brown 480F00. All of this is going to be in the description box below, as well as the text for this slide and the link to the image. All right. Next up is going to be our image. I'm going to grab the image, which is this one. So bring it in, and I'm not going to change any details. I'm just going to move it to the left like this. Next up is a rectangle. So in the home tab or in the insert tab, go over to shapes, and we're going to select a rectangle, and I'm just going to draw this. Go over to fill, and we're going to select no fill. For the shape outline, we're going to change the color to white. Next, let's change the dimensions. The height is going to be 16.5 and the width is going to be 18.5. Let me just, there's no need to change it, I'll just increase it. So 16.5 for the height, 18.5 for the width. And I'm just going to align it so it's at the center of our frame, and I'm just going to move it till I can just about center it to this leftover space on the right side of the slide. Next, we're going to need a text box. So I'm going to go over to insert text box, and I'm going to grab my text. So this is, I'll start, we just need to grab the two texts, and I'm going to just type 01. I know I've already copied it, but bear with me. Select the text box, make it 01. We're going to change this to Libra Baskerville. Oops, Libra Baskerville is the font. Size is 60, and we're going to change the color to this brown color. And I'm going to change the alignment of the text to center. I'm just going to increase the width of this text box. Let's say something like this. And I'm going to Control and Shift to create a copy while also keeping it aligned. And I just want to check the space. I just want the space not to be too much. Select, while you're selecting this bottom text box, change the font to Poppins. And size is going to be, let's make it, because we'll have to, let's make it 12. And now I'm going to paste my text. Select this wedding section, change the size to 18, and then make the width of the text bold. I'm going to select these two, and I'm going to group it. Now I'm going to create a copy using Control, and I'm also holding Shift so it's aligned, and I'm just going to, let's say, have it here. We're still going to space it and maybe change the alignment, but for now I'm just going to create these copies. Let's see, like this. All right, I have my 4 cards. Now I can now edit them. I'm going to change this text to 02, and I'm going to grab this text, copy and paste, leave corporate events. Then the remaining text, we're going to remove the bold and make the size 12. And I'm also going to extend the width of this. Then I'm going to realign this to back, just like that. Let's move on to this one. This is going to be 03. And I'm going to grab the text for number 3 and paste. Once again, leave social gatherings, and then I can just do it here. Remove the bold, change the size of the text to 12, and I'm just going to leave this one as it is. This one 4. Let's grab the text, copy it, and paste. Leave charity galas, and we're going to remove the bold, change the size of the text to 12. Now we're going to center these sections in this rectangle. I'm just going to maybe move this up a bit. Let's see like this, maybe a bit closer. Select all of them, Ctrl G to group, and now I'm going to move it so it's aligned to the center of this rectangle, and then also move it like this so we're going to just center it on that rectangle outline. Finally, we're going to add our animations and transitions. I'm just going to ungroup this first. So right click, ungroup, go over to the animations tab and select the object you want to animate, and we're going to select floating. The start for this is going to be with previous. Select this one, same thing, float in. However, the start is going to be after previous. Select the object again, and you're going to have this option, animation painter. Double click, apply it to number 3 and then to number 4. Escape to exit the animation printer. Go over to transitions and then use the reveal transition. We're not going to change any details about it, and that is it for this slide. Let's go ahead and see this slide in the slideshow view. And there we go. So we have our background, and then we have each section. All right, that is it for this particular tutorial. If you want to watch other parts of this course where we'll create the other slides for our event planning portfolio, you can go ahead and click on the playlist on screen right now or check the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.